Where's the little girl? She's hiding in her truck. Good job. Can you bring the little girl to Mama? Yay! Can you bring her here? Bring the girl to Mom. Very good job. Very good job. Can you go put her up? Where does she go? Take her back to her truck. Show me how you put her up.